Hi, hello everyone. Thank you very much for opening this video. In this video, I'm going to explain more about the Brazil corporate income tax calculation. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Arcilon. I am one of Newco partners. Newco is an accounting firm based in Brazil, and we have service focused on foreign investors, entrepreneurs, startups. So if you are not from Brazil and you want to start your business in Brazil, send us an email or direct message, and we'll be happy to help you and succeed here in Brazil. First, a quick note. I try to present here a really simple and clear way, but Brazil taxation is not that simple. So if you have doubts and you want more details, again, make sure you send an email for us, and we'll be happy to help you and understand more about in your case in particular. Okay, jumping here directly to our presentation. First, let me explain a really important information. Here in Brazil, we have two taxes that's related to corporate income taxes. The first one is IRPJ and the other one is CSLL. If you see any of these two abbreviations here, that's related to corporate income taxes. In Brazil, in case of foreign business, you have two income tax methods that you can use. The first one is the APM, actual profit method. In Portuguese, you're going to listen lucro real. That one, it's calculated based on the profit and loss of the period, and you can choose between one of quarterly or annual period. This methodology is mandatory for companies with more than 78 million reais annual revenue, banks, traders, insurance companies, companies with any kind of earnings internationally, and some other cases. And also we have the PPM, the presumed profit method. You're going to listen in Portuguese, lucro presumido. This one is a profit margin percentage estimated based on the gross revenue. Speaking more about the PPM have an official range of percentage taxable issued by the tax authority. So, for example, for gas and fuel sale, you have to apply 1.6%. Retail, manufacturing, agriculture service, hospital service 8%, material transportation, real estate 8%, construction service and material 8%, passenger transportation, banks and financial service 16%, leasing, franchising, factoring 32%, construction only, the service part 32%, general service, partnership service, and commercial traders 32%. Putting here an example in case of business for general service and doing a quarterly calculation. So in this case, we start with the gross revenue of 1 million reais for the quarter. We apply the 32% over that amount, and we have a taxable revenue of 320,000. We need to add if there is any kind of capital gains or financial income in this period. So in this case, we are adding 30,000 and 10,000, getting a taxable base of 360,000. The IRPJ, we have two layers of calculation. The regular one, where you have to apply the 15% on the top of the taxable base, and we have the IRPJ additional one. That one is you have to apply the 10% just for the amount over the 60,000 for the period. In this case, we deducted the 60,000 from the 360, and we have a taxable base of 300,000, and we get the 300,000, 30,000 of IRPJ additionally. And we have the CSLL 9% calculated. In this case, we get a payable taxes of 116.4 thousand for the PPM example calculation. The next example that I'm going to show here is the APM. In these cases, we are doing an annual calculation. We start from the actual profit before income tax. In this case, we have 320,000. We have to adjust the income for any no deductible expense or no taxable income. In these cases, we are adding 10,000 and we are reducing 5,000, getting a taxable base of 325,000. Again, we have two layers for calculation for IRPJ. The regular one where you have to apply the 15% on the top of the taxable basin, and we have the additional one in these cases is as we are using an annually calculation, we are just applying the 10% over the amount for the amount over the 240,000. We apply the 90% for the CSLL on the taxable basis. In this case, we have the payable taxable of 86.5 thousand for the period. This is just two examples. We get a lot of questions from our clients. I made this video for anyone that want to understand a little bit more about Brazil corporate income tax calculation. In these cases, I just speaking about foreign shareholders, that it's mandatory to have use one of these two methodologies that doesn't apply for national business. So again, Brazil taxation is not that simple. If you want more details, want have any doubts, please feel free to reach out to us, and we are pleased to help you succeed in Brazil. Thank you very much.